touch. Good girl, touch. Good girl, touch. Good girl. This is Princess. Good girl. She's making babies. Are you making babies, Princess? She's a good girl. She's smart. She's my best girl here. Princess, middle. Good girl. Come on, Princess. Come on. She just came outside. She's wanting to sniff around. Princess. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come. She's trying to lead me. Where you want me to go? Where you want to go? Oh, it's going to be windy over here. The microphone's going to pick that up, Princess. Princess, come on. Come on. Let's see if she comes. Ah, good girl. Good girl. She's my girl. What you do, middle? A good girl. Okay. Do what you want to do, Princess. Somebody told me German Shepherds, she said, your dogs are dogs of war. I don't know about that. They're pretty strong though. They're not gonna melt, I'll tell you what. She's gone. What do y'all think? Are German Shepherds dogs of war? Princess! Good girl. Good girl. Princess, are you a dog of war? Hey, thanks for watching, y'all. American Viking GSD and Princess.